Hi, this is Philip Dahlheimer with the Viral Publicity. We're at Ventano's Italian Grill in Henderson, Nevada for another business-to-business mixer. And I am here with Greg Wilson of Alterra Home Loans, home mortgages. So what's new in the mortgage business?
Well, there's a lot of people are hurting and they're upside down, and there's things that we can't do to help them, but there are a lot of people whose homes are owned, their mortgages are actually owned by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, in which people can refinance up to 105%.
Wow.
So we are able to refinance some folks that are in their upper fives, mid fives, get down into the fours on their interest rates, so they could save money monthly, as well as the long-term thousands of dollars in that refinance.
Right. So with the credit crunch is the stipulations, the restrictions of getting refinancing more difficult now?
Right now, the credit score of people is affecting a lot of what can be done. Actually, if your credit score is good, there is credit out there, and we are able to get homes refinanced, or people who buy with the right credit score, we can do that. So if you have a really terrible credit score, there's several things that the people need to do to try and build that credit score back up before they can refinance or buy a home. At 740 is like the top for the premium levels. So 740, 780, 800, really you still get the top rate at those. The best rate from 740 up. When you start getting to 620, then loans are becoming a little more difficult, but can be done. But the lock rates usually can't be done until the loan is approved. So you can't go into a loan thinking, oh, I got a 4.375, because in the 3 weeks that it takes for a loan to go through, the rate either gets better or worse. If we see that the market is dropping, the rates are going to go up, then we can lock more immediately. And even if we have a couple of weeks of cycling where the rates are I should say, as the rates are going up, you're locked there.
Right.
So a good credit score does help that.
All right.
As far as people that are in homes and stalling the foreclosure, what's happening right now is they're actually going to be able to stay in their homes longer, because banks are starting to stop the foreclosure until they get several things straightened up. People who are buying homes, I think there's more than enough market out there that they really aren't waiting for that home to be foreclosed, so it's on the market.
Okay, so what's the advantage of Alterra Homes mortgages compared to other mortgage lenders?
We kind of have the philosophy that it's better to do a lot of small deals than it is to do the one big deal. So our goal is to service as many people, to get them to refinance or to purchase, making us personally making less money on the deal to give the client the best deal, kind of like a pay it forward thing. But if I give you a good deal, then I make less money, but that's okay, because if you're happy and satisfied, you go tell your friends what a great job we did and how we were to help. We want to do quality service. Our goal is give you great service, give you a great deal. You go out and tell your neighbor what a great job we did for you, and send your neighbors and family and friends.
And Greg here is a extremely smart person. He has his PhD in education, and so he understands how to analyze these type of things.
I hope so.
Which is fantastic. Fantastic. Well, what's your company's website?
www, always got to throw that in there, .goalterra.com.
Fantastic. And so you can contact Greg at that website, I'm sure, and take a look at Alterra Loans and see what they can do for you.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you for joining us, Greg.
Thank you for
Appreciate it.
having me.
It's Philip Dahlheimer reporting for the Viral Publicity with Greg Wilson of Alterra Home Mortgages.